Dear viewers, I would like to welcome you once again to the Creative Graphics channel. I hope you are all well and healthy in this pandemic situation. Friends, today's tutorial that I am going to present to you is Fly Student Head. Dear visitors, everyone likes to do photography, but the only problem is for photographer like us. The reason is that we are busy taking photos of others all our lives, but our pictures are not taken properly. We take photos of other people and give them different looks, but when we want to give our own photos a wonderful look, our picture is not very good. Anyway viewers, it's a pity that I took my photo with the help of remote control. Dear viewers, if you continue to support us in this way, I hope that our channel Creative Graphics will give you better and fun tutorials on graphics and photography in the future. Let's end the wait and present today's video to you friends. I hope you like it. If you like it, you will share, comment and like the video a lot. Stay tuned. The tools needed to make this video tutorial are a good front face portrait photo, a wooden log and a wooden structure. Dear viewers, watch this video tutorial carefully because the use of tools is very rare here. All that is required here is to observe the procedure with lot of patience and resist. Needless to say, my portrait image has already been cut with the help of the selection tool, and the rest of two images have been downloaded before the wooden log and the wooden texture respectively. So I don't want to prolonging the video by showing the images downloaded. Create a new document with the width of 1920 pixel and the height of 1080 pixel and also the resolution 72 pixel. Then you need to open the portrait image and paste it into the document and set the size and position of the portrait image with the free transform tool. Then copy this portrait image by pressing Ctrl J and move it to the left side of the document. Then turn off the visibility of the portrait image layer. Then you have to pull the roller to divide the image into 4 parts. Then you have to select the background layer and fill it with the black to white gradient color. Then a shape was drawn with the ellipse shape tool and 3 more copies were made. After that, each of the 4 shapes was sized according to the portrait picture by free transform tool. Then these 4 shapes are selected together and copied again. Then the previous 4 shapes were grouped together and visibility of that group was turned off. Then each shape layer is sized by the direct selection tool and control is clicked on the portrait image layer. This layer is selected and cut and paste this portrait image. Dear viewers, delete the shape layer when you cut and paste the portrait image. Viewers, watch the video very well. Don't skip anywhere. If you skip, you won't understand in the next case. Then turn on the 4 shape layer visibility and drag one shape above each portrait image layer. Thereafter, select the second and fourth number image layer and shape layer together from the top and move a little to the left. Then the wooden texture layer needs to be imported into this document and set the size and the position of this wooden text layer with the free transform tool. In this case, you have to remember that first you have to select the shape layer and paste this wooden text layer on it and right click on the layer and choose to create clipping mask. Then you have to import the wooden logs here. Set the size and the position of this wooden log by free transform tool. Then you have to delete the image of the head. Then you have to set the wooden texture on the wooden log in the same way. to do next is to merge the cut part of the face layer and even texture layer together. At last, select each image layer by pressing Ctrl plus click on the layer from the keyboard and select the soft brush with a new layer to reduce the opacity and fill each layer with a black shadow. Thank you for spending your precious time with us. Hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and if you like it, you can go to the comment box and write your valuable speech. Your cooperation and blessings are our paths. I bow the elders of my age and express my love and respect to the younger ones. Stay well and stay healthy. See you again in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.